Welcome to our tutorial on enabling notifications for accepted follow requests on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to keep track of your connections. Let's dive right in. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Simply navigate to the Instagram website and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you're ready for the next step. Now, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon resembles three horizontal lines. Click on it to expand the menu. From here, choose Settings. This will direct you to various options to customize your Instagram experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Notifications on the list and click on it to proceed. You'll now see a range of notification options. Click on Push Notifications. This section allows you to manage which notifications you want to receive on your device. Finally, locate the section labeled Accepted Follow Requests. Here, you'll find a toggle option. Simply select On to enable notifications for when people accept your follow requests. And there you have it. You're all set to receive notifications for accepted follow requests on Instagram, keeping you updated on your social interactions like never before. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Instagram experience. Happy connecting!